Want to translate your WordPress navigation menu into different languages without messing with code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using TranslatePress, one of the easiest and most powerful translation plugins out there. We'll cover both the manual and automatic translation options. And besides this, I will also show you how to display completely different menu structures for different languages using a simple add-on. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the TranslatePress plugin installed and activated. If you need help with this step, I'll leave a dedicated tutorial of the installation process in the right corner. For most of this tutorial, you can use the free version of the plugin, but I do have a pro license active on my site, so I can show you some premium functionality at the end. So let's start by going to Settings, TranslatePress, and in the General Settings area, add the additional language that you want to use on your website. Got all that? Great, let's move on. From the front end of your site, click on Translate page in the admin bar. This opens the visual translation editor. Now simply hover over your navigation menu and click on the text you want to translate. Let's say we want to translate contact into Spanish. All you have to do is click on the blue pencil icon next to it and add the Spanish version in the dedicated section. Once that's done, make sure to click the Save button. The same process applies for submenu items as well. Simply hover over the item that you want to translate, just like you normally would on the front end, and click on the blue pencil icon. Add the translated version right here and click the Save button once again. You can repeat this for each menu item that you want to translate. These translations are stored locally and will automatically appear when a user switches to that language. And that's basically it. Your menu will now be ready for your users. But what if you want to translate everything much faster? For that, you can turn on automatic translation. Go to Settings, TranslatePress, Automatic Translation. Here you can use TranslatePress AI and the AI words included with your license to instantly translate your content. If you have already purchased a TranslatePress license, you'll need to activate it first in order to gain access to TranslatePress AI. But if not, you can still create a free limited license and translate 2000 words completely for free. Whichever route you choose, once your license is active and TranslatePress AI is enabled, your site will be automatically translated when you visit it from the front end. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose to go with Google Translate or DeepL for your translation engine and follow the prompts to connect the API key. However, this will take a bit more effort on your part, as you do have to create your accounts and connect them to TranslatePress. Once your automatic translations are up, you can come back at any time to manually refine them if needed. Now let's say you want to go a step further. Maybe you want a completely different menu structure based on the language you selected and not just translations of the same items. That's where the navigation based on language add-on comes in. As I mentioned earlier, this is the part that requires a premium TranslatePress license, so make sure you have one installed if you want to follow the next steps. To enable the add-on, simply go to Settings, TranslatePress, Add-ons, and click on Activate near the navigation based on language box. Next, let's go to Appearance, Menus, Menu Structure. And by opening a certain menu item, you will see the option to limit this item to certain languages. Make sure to select only the languages where you want to show that menu item. In this case, I want to eliminate the blog page from the Spanish version of the website. So to do this, I will keep the box unchecked next to it. Now, when a user switches to Spanish, they'll see the Spanish menu with a custom structure, not just the translated words. This is super useful if you want to highlight different products, categories, or offers based on region or language. So let's quickly recap. You can manually translate your menu items using the visual editor. You can automatically translate them using TranslatePress AI. And with a navigation based on language add-on, you can create unique menus per language for maximum flexibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials to take your multilingual site to the next level. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm happy to help. See you next time!